this is the second in the series of opening the Glitterbels Advent Calendar. Previous video we unopened boxes 1 through to 4. Now in this one we are going to be opening boxes 5 through to 8. So let's see what we get. So number 5 comes in a box like this. Very, very nice. Oh, here we go. Just looking to see how we open it. We've got pink stuffing. I opened it upside down apparently. So we have, it looks like loose glitter. I'm sorry about that. I've got a bit of a frog in my throat today. So yeah, let's open it up. So there it is. Super, super nice. I will swatch it for you guys. I'll put some on a swatch stick. Now we have number 6. Same kind of box as the other one. The colours are just reversed. Again, I'm opening it from the bottom. Oh, no, maybe not. So here we have Glitterbels. Oh, this is their Unbelievable gel. So it's a like builder gel, but it's in a pot instead of a bottle. And I'm really happy I got this because I love their acrylics, I love their gel polishes, and I have been wanting to try this. But yeah, so let's oh, I was going to say open it up, but it is sealed quite well there. I will use my broken tweezers. I don't know if you can see there, I completely bent the end of them. But we can use it to open this up. So, oh, look at that colour. That is stunning. I really love that colour. So that was what we got in day 6. Now, as I said, I will swatch all these, like gel polishes and things like that, at the end. So now we're on to day 7, which is a big box. Very light for such a big box, but let's open it up and see. Is that it? That looks like that is just it for that box. And we have a unicorn nail duster brush. So you know, when you've been filing and stuff like that, and you can, you know, brush it off. Nice. They do like their unicorns over at Glitterbels. Yeah, super cute. And then we are on to day 8, and it comes in this kind of box. Oh, I see a gel polish. Nope. I'm just making sure I'm not missing anything with all the fluff. Now, because that is such a big box to put such a small thing in, look. Like, why is it in such a big box? Like, okay. Let's open the bottom, double check if there's not anything else in there. Nope, there's not. Okay, it was a really big box for something small. And we have this is what I call their mini bottles. This is a hemo-free gel polish. And this is called Selfie Mode. So I will also swatch this. But I'll give you a quick look at what it looks like. So a really sparkly pink. So yeah, I will just go and swatch these 3 things here, and I will be back, guys. We are back with the swatches. So for day 5, we got this glitter. And this is what it looks like. Little love hearts. Super pretty. Then for day 6 we got this Glitterbels Unbelievable gel. Now I'm correcting myself, this is not like builder builder gel in a bottle. It is basically a thicker version of gel polish, because I've just looked on their website, because when I was putting it on I was like, you know, it's a bit thin for builder gel, but it's a thicker version of gel polish, and it's meant to be very good for like doing Frenchies and detailed work and things like that. And this is the colour, which I have to say is absolutely stunning. And they are also they dry as a no wipe, which is wonderful, and that's just a stunning colour. Then the other swatch we did was their Humour Free Gel Polish in this pink, which is super duper sparkly. I really do like it very, very much. So just to recap what we got. Oh, I've got an itchy eye. So day 5 we got the glitter. Day 6 we got the Unbelievable gel. Day 7 we got this really pretty unicorn nail brush. And then for day 8 we got this Humour Free gel polish. So yes, I really like this so far. I'm just hoping there's not too many products like this and more things like this. And it would be nice if we get some acrylic. So fingers crossed that we do. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in another video, guys. Bye.